Good morning, my lovely kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Children, we have just studied about the plane shapes in our previous video. So now we are going to start solid shapes. What do you mean by solid? Children, an object that occupies space is called a solid. Solid shapes are also known as three-dimensional, or we can say 3D shapes. Children, these are solid shapes. 3D shapes have three dimensions: length, width, and height. Solid shapes have faces, edges, and vertices also. We will study about the faces, edges, and vertices of solids in detail later on. Children, in our day to day lives, we usually come across various solid shapes such as cuboids, cubes, cylinders, spheres, and cones. Now, have a look on different solid shapes. Children, this is a cube. Its all sides are equal and its all faces are square in shape. This is a cuboid. Its opposite sides are equal and its all faces are rectangular in shape. Children, this is a next solid shape and its name is cone. Children, this shape is called as cylinder. Children, this is the last solid shape, sphere. Solid shapes have different types of surfaces. The part of a solid which we usually see and touch is called its surface. Some solids have plane surfaces while some have curved surfaces. Some solids have both plane and curved surfaces. Children, now look at these objects. Dice, matchbox, and shoebox. These all objects have only plane surfaces. In other words, we can say flat surfaces. Children, now look at these objects. Have you noticed that ball, balloons, and globe? These all objects have only curved surfaces. Children, now let us move further and explore those objects which have plane and curved both surfaces. Here we have battery cells, cap, and cone. Children, you can check easily that these all objects have both plane and curved surfaces. Children, now let us revise quickly. Plane shapes have no thickness. These shapes have only length and breadth. That is why plane shapes are called 2D or two-dimensional shapes. But solid shapes have length, width, and height. That's why solid shapes are called 3D or three-dimensional shapes. Thank you, students. I hope Now the concept of 2D shapes and 3D shapes must be clear to all of you. So keep practicing.